Scene script: why does Python play such a vital role in data analysis? To answer that question, it's essential to understand that Python is a powerful, flexible, and beginner-friendly programming language that's perfect for data analysis. It's a tool that can turn the vast and confusing world of data into clear, understandable insights. To illustrate this, think of Python as a master chef. The raw data are the ingredients. Without the right skills, these ingredients can be overwhelming and difficult to manage. But with Python, it's possible to mix these ingredients in a way that creates something delicious and, more importantly, insightful. Now imagine having a data set about global weather patterns. The data is extensive, with thousands of rows and columns. It's a data analyst's nightmare. But fear not, Python comes to the rescue. First off, import the necessary libraries. For this task, these are Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. These libraries provide the tools needed to load, manipulate, and visualize the data. Next, load the data into Python using Pandas. With one line of code, it's possible to turn a CSV file into a data frame, a format that Python can work with. Once the data is loaded, it's time to clean it up. This involves removing any errors or inconsistencies that may skew the results. With Python, this can be done with a few lines of code. Now that the data is clean, it's time to explore it. This is where Python really shines. Want to know the average temperature in July? Or perhaps the highest recorded temperature? With Python, these questions can be answered in seconds. Once the exploration is complete, it's time to visualize the findings. With Matplotlib, it's possible to create graphs and charts that make the data easy to understand. For instance, a line graph could show how the temperature varies over the year. Finally, Python can be used to draw conclusions from the data. By using statistical techniques, Python can identify patterns and trends that would be impossible to see otherwise. So, why is Python important in data analysis? Because it's a tool that can take raw, confusing data and turn it into clear, understandable insights. It's a tool that can answer questions, solve problems, and ultimately drive decision-making. In this video, the process of using Python for data analysis was broken down into steps: importing libraries, loading data, cleaning data, exploring data, visualizing data, and drawing conclusions. Each step is crucial in the data analysis process, and Python makes each one easier and more effective. Remember, the world of data can be overwhelming, but with Python, it's possible to turn that confusion into clarity. It's possible to take the raw ingredients of data and turn them into something insightful and delicious. So, sharpen those Python skills and get ready to cook up some insights. The world of data analysis awaits.